أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, so Alif, Ba, Ta. Go ahead, say these for me, please.
Alif, ba, ta, tha.
Excellent, beautiful. Tha. For the ta, my tip of the tongue was touching the back side of my front two teeth. Ta. And for the
Ta.
tha, my tip of the tongue is touching the front two teeth, and I'm kind of blowing out. Tha, like that.
Ta.
There's another way to check if your tha is correctly on the origin is correct. If you put your palm in front of your mouth and you say tha, you should feel some air blowing out. Tha. Sa. Do you see that? You also feel sa.
Ta.
Yeah, good job. You saying it correctly. I can hear it correct. MashaAllah.
Thank you.
Okay, and how about this one? This one is Jeen. And these
Jin.
I
Jin.
call them the boat letters. Okay, so there are two boats. The first boat has one. The first boat has one dot. The second boat has two dots, and the third
Mm-hmm.
has three dots. Okay, so
Okay.
that's how we can also remember that. If we want to remember the placement, which one was first, how did the bar look like? So boat one,
Mm-hmm.
one dot. Boat two, three. Boat
Mm-hmm.
third board, three dots. Okay, so one, two, and three. That's how we can also remember Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. How about the
Mm-hmm.
G? These three, I call them the jug bodies. Okay, so they look from
Mm-hmm.
kind of a jug, empty jug.
Yes.
So there's this time the ice cube is inside. Okay, for the
Mm-hmm.
G, it's like inside.
Jin. Okay.
Gene. Okay, so for the ha and the ha, these ones we are going to do inshallah next time.
Mm-hmm.
For now, alif, ba, ta, tha, jeen. Go ahead.
Alif, ba, ta, tha, jin.
Excellent, mashallah. Okay, so let's keep these here, and now we are going to go find these letters in the Quranic sheet. Okay, so this is our Quranic sheet. Notice that when the letters were in printed form, they look different. But right now, you don't see all those letters. You don't see a deen, you don't see a proper tha, because
Mm-hmm.
they are in cursive. So we are going to, inshallah, find how they look like. Inshallah, let's go find the which letters. Let's go find the ba first.
Ba.
Okay, so if this is the ba can
Mm-hmm.
sometimes hide as a whole entire ba. That's also,
Mm-hmm.
or the ba can hide like this also. The ba can be tricky, and the ba can go hide like this also. Okay, so it's gonna be just one dot down, a little stem and a dot down. Sometimes
Mm, okay.
it's gonna become little baby ba. Okay, let's go in the first line and let's see if you can find the ba. In the first line, the ba is and the ba is like in its original form. Okay, and you have to go find the ba for me. Okay, this is my bouncy ball. Okay, it's bouncy ball.
Mm-hmm.
Tell you it. Okay, when the ba
Yeah.
is, you need to tell me, and which one is ba? Then the ba is right here. Okay,
Ah,
let's go find ba. When we're on the ba, you need to say ba.
okay. Okay. Ba.
Excellent. Okay, so
Okay.
that's the bar. And now let's go find the bar when the bar is one dot down. Okay, it's kind of trying to hide. Okay, so
Okay.
the way these dots are basically they help us find a letter. Okay, one dot
Mm-hmm.
down is bar. Okay, let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Ba.
Yes, that's bar. Okay,
Okay.
so this time, where
Mm.
did the bar? How is the bar? The bar is more like the bar is trying to hide from this area. Right? It's
Mm-hmm.
hiding like
Like
this,
that.
and the dot is here, placed here. Okay?
Okay, okay.
That also, the bar can do this, the bar can do this also, trying to hide from.
Okay.
Okay, but
Do you
what?
sometimes see it without the dot, or does it always have the dot?
Oh, the dot is very important. No dot, no bar.
Okay.
For
Excellent.
the
No
sa,
worries. Just want to make sure.
yes, yes. For the sa, so these dots are actually very important. These dots, the
Mm-hmm.
positioning and the number of the dots, they're basically they help you. Okay,
Okay.
let's go find another bar. Okay, let's go. So this is also one dot, but it's not down. So this is not bar. How
Mm-hmm.
about this one?
Is ba. Yeah, that one's ba.
Excellent, mashallah. Okay, let's go find another bar.
Ba.
Yeah, this time the same word. This is the same word. Bima. Bima keeps coming back. And yes,
Mm-hmm.
that's okay. Excellent. Let me go a little down to find another kind of a ba. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go find the ba in here now. Okay, okay,
Oh.
okay. So this is one dot down. Do you think this is ba? This looks different.
Yeah, I feel like no.
No, because it looks different.
Yeah.
It looks this is another. So wonder down cannot always be ba because the
Ba.
body
So
is
no.
different. So it needs to be something like this. So no, this
Mm-hmm.
ba. Okay, let's keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay, hold on. Come
No
on.
worries.
Let's keep
Okay.
going.
Ba.
Yes, that's ba. Okay, so the ba can this is the ba. The ba can also sometimes look like this a baby bar also. Okay, but that's also
Okay.
putting a joke
Ba.
on the side. It can even be like a baby bar. That's also fine. Okay, let's go. Let's try to find one more bar, and then we're done with letter bar.
Okay. Ba.
Yes. Okay, now this is like the cute cup bar. Okay, so that
Mm-hmm.
so these are all the different shapes of the